So you want to make your first Blender short film. Cool, let's do this. Lights, camera, action. Now before you undertake that huge challenge, let me help you out with that middle bit, the camera. More often than not, beginners just jump in head first, which is usually a pretty good thing most of the time. However, if you don't know anything about the CG camera or basic cinematography, you could be shooting yourself in the foot, all while you're jumping in head first. Which, now that I say it out loud, sounds like a pretty cool idea for a film. Directing the camera from CG Cookie will teach you all the essential things you need to know about your camera when dealing with your 3D scene. We'll cover the basics. Field of view, lenses, apertures, depth of field, focus, framing, and camera rigs, the different type of camera shots, as well as camera angles, and of course the different camera moves. And we will even create some fun examples and a few special types of camera moves. You'll learn all the basic rules you need to know. All this will give you a better understanding of the do's and don'ts of cinematography and teach you how to handle your camera like a pro. So before you jump in, do yourself a favour. Learn how to not shoot yourself in the foot, which is a pretty cool idea for a film.